all the blood went somewhere else. When we went to church, he hated it. I forced him. I fed my spirit and I starved my flesh. That's what prayer does. It takes discipline to pray, and prayer produces even more discipline. What is prayer? Every time I'm communing in the Spirit, sleep, tug na, kaon na, na-text ni Abot, uy, ang Shopee, nasinaan na. He's got so many distractions. The mature Christ is when he grows up and I'm closer to him and he's the voice I don't hear so much now. That's why you have to be a disciple and you have to crucify the flesh. As long as you have this body, you and I will be tempted by it. But the mature